Stunt driving charges in Ontario. How to choose the right law firm using Google reviews. If you're facing a stunt driving charge in Ontario, you're overwhelmed. You're overwhelmed by the potential consequences, but don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process of finding the right law firm to handle your case using a powerful tool that we all know, Google reviews. In this video, I'll explain why Google reviews are crucial in your search, how to use them effectively, and what other factors you should consider when choosing a stunt driving law firm. I'm Jon Cohen. I'm a partner at NextLaw. We're Ontario's dedicated stunt driving law firm. Now, let's break this down into three main sections. One, the importance of Google reviews. Two, how to use Google reviews effectively. And three, other factors to consider beyond the reviews. First, let's talk about why Google reviews matter when you're looking for a stunt driving law firm. Google reviews provide real, unfiltered insights into a law firm's performance. They're like a window into a firm's reputation, expertise, and client satisfaction. And why is this so important? Because when you're facing stunt driving charges, you need a law firm who knows their stuff and has a track record of success. These reviews often come from people who've been in your shoes. They can tell you about how a law firm communicates, what strategies they use, and most importantly, how effective they are in court. Look for comments that mention successful outcomes, reduced charges, or dismissed cases. These details can help you make an informed decision about who to trust with your case. Now let's move on to how can you use Google reviews effectively in your search. Obviously, look for a firm with a good number of reviews. More reviews give you a better overall picture of the firm's performance over time. Pay special attention to recent reviews. These reflect the firm's commitment to current performance. Focus on detailed reviews about specific cases and outcomes. These are more helpful than those vague one-line comments. Check the firm's overall star rating. A consistently high rating across many reviews is a positive sign. See if the firm responds to the reviews. If they show that they're committed to client satisfaction, they will open up communication. But here's a word of caution. Not all reviews are created equally. Some might be fake. Watch out for these red flags, which can be multiple reviews posted close together, especially if they sound similar. Vague praise without specific details about the client's experience, reviewer profiles with little to no review history. Now let's talk about what else should you consider beyond Google reviews. While reviews are incredibly helpful, they shouldn't be the only factor in your decision. Here are some other important things to consider. Verify the legal representative's credentials, including their standing with the Law Society of Ontario. Schedule a consultation with potential law firms to discuss your case in person or over the phone. Ask about their specific experience with stunt driving cases and their success rate. Consider the law firm's fees and make sure they fit your budget. Look for a law firm that knows the specific court where your case will be heard. Remember, the right law firm can significantly impact the outcome of your stunt driving case, potentially reducing severe consequences and protecting your future. So what's the takeaway here? Google reviews are a valuable tool in your search for a stunt driving law firm in Ontario. They offer insights into that firm's reputation, expertise, and client satisfaction, but they're just one piece of the puzzle. Combine the information from Google reviews with your own research and personal consultations to make a well-informed decision about your legal representation. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. And if you have any questions about choosing a stunt driving law firm in Ontario, just book a free call with us. We'll get on the phone. We'll discuss everything. So thanks for watching. Remember, when facing stunt driving charges, choose your law firm wisely. Your future may depend on it.